So I'm just trying to record the Amadeus lesson, especially chapter 2, which was not working in a class. So let me see if I can record for you and whether it is feasible for you to understand this video lecture or not. As you know, most of you people have gone through more than half of the lesson, 15 lesson, but still I'm trying to connect with those classes which are not running in Amadeus at our department. Let's start with the chapter number 2, which deals with the flight availability in Amadeus system. As you know that this will show you the neutral availability command for a specific date and city pair. So let's start with using neutral availability command for 24th of Jan between Frankfurt and Paris. You know the result, how it will look like. So this is the result of neutral availability command used for a particular date and particular city pair. And that city pair is Frankfurt to Paris. And you know that since there are many international airport at Paris, but most common is Charles de Gaulle, which is codified as CDG. Paris Orly is the other airport, Paris. So this is the result of the command used in Amadeus. Now software says that if the city or airport having multiple entry, and unless you are giving the specific city pair code, it will show all the available flight for all the city pairs. So let's start with again 26th of August between Paris and Madrid. So since we have given Paris, not a specific CDG or Orly, so it is showing the flight from Orly or Charles de Gaulle to Madrid. So it is explaining that what are the meanings of the retrieval command, the like first line telling about the airline code and airline specific number. Second segment is the number of seats available in particular class. Then city pair, which is origin, and SDWR, their terminals. Second city pair is the destination, which is Madrid here, again terminal 1. And the next information is what is the departure time, which we say expected time of departure, ETD. And next is expected time of departure, arrival. And the total time is called flight duration or elapsed time. But the next segment is here, the type of aircraft used for this journey between Paris and Madrid. And last segment is displaying the total number of hours for journey between Paris and Madrid. So there are some other symbols stating that whether it is a Amadeus availability or direct reservation system. As I have said that it is saying that what kind of aircraft highlighted in white, and this is the flight duration or elapsed time.